Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Joann's account. Keep watching the video to the end. To log into your Joann's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in joann.com and make a search. The official page of Joann will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on Sign In. On the next page, enter your email address and tap on Sign In. Now all you need to do is enter your email address once again and password associated with the Joann's account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. If you want your account to be logged in, tap on Keep Me Signed In option. This is how you can log into your Joann's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.